Yo, what's up, YouTube fam? It has been a while. Man, I've missed you guys. I had a crazy journey in China. I was gone for like 17 days. So thank you guys for patiently waiting for some new content to come out. We've put a couple videos out. Some of my, actually one of my technicians made a video of him doing some demo work in one of our labs. So we did put that up. You guys can see that in the videos that we have up. And I did do a little vlog of a little trip that I did in China to the Brink headquarters. So if you guys want, check that out. Really cool. Brink's doing some really cool stuff. So yeah, but you know, overall, it feels really good to be back in front of the camera, getting in contact with you guys. I've missed this you know, technology-based communication that we have built. So I was able to look through our archives and I found some videos that we filmed a while back on freezing the S8s and S8 Pluses. So in this video, I'm actually going to show you guys how we handle these screens and how we freeze off this OLEDs with the freezer at the 180 degrees, negative 180 Celsius. So in this video, that's what you're going to see. I'm just going to put some clips together, show you guys how we do it, and just so you guys know that, you know, it is possible to freeze these off. Still, it's not too recommended on the S9s and above. You know, we're still having some issues with polarizers splitting and separating from the OLED from the actual display. So we are actually going to come up with a video with that so we can show you guys what happens when you do freeze these S9s and S9 Pluses. So be on the lookout. That'll probably be our next video as soon as we get our floors put in. So the guys should be coming in this week and be putting in our floors, hopefully, so we can actually get this ball rolling. We do want to get some more videos out and just keep pushing out content and educating you guys on what we do and how we do it. So I appreciate your guys' patience, but like I said, the surgeon is back. I am here, made it back okay from China. It was a crazy long trip. I learned a lot and I was able to experience and re-energize. You know, I think the whole thing with the trip was just getting my mindset back on par and being able to come back full force at 110%. You know, it is recommended to take some time off, you know, just break away for a little bit, lose communication, which I did in China for a little bit. I was without internet for about a week in Shenzhen, and it was kind of weird but good at the same time. So yeah, I do recommend it for all you guys that are busy. Just take some time off, get disconnected, and just refresh, re-energize. It's much needed. So once again, guys, thank you all for your patience, and I am very looking forward to producing more content. Hint, hint, you guys might see a S10 Plus coming here very soon. We're gonna pick up where we left off on the last video that I did before I left to China. So be on the lookout for that. It's gonna be covering separating the glass, cleaning the OLED, and then laminating another sheet of glass onto the OLED. So yeah, with that being said, let's get into this episode so you guys can see the process on freezing off the glass from the Samsung S8s and the S8 Pluses. Back up, back up, back up, back up. Back up, back up, back up, back up. I'ma need you to back up. Yep. I'ma need you to back up. Spilling the tea, you stirring the cup. I'ma need you to back up. I'ma need you to back up. Yep. I'm in the seven, I'm gonna act up. I'ma need you to back up. I'ma need you to back up. Yep. I'ma need you to back up. Spilling the tea, you stirring the cup.
There we go. Throws off the LED. There we go. X marks the spot. Good. Ready for cleaning and then glass.